Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to replace a bicycle tire in a tube. But before we start, I have a request. Please subscribe to help me reach that 1000 subscribers mark so I can bring you some more awesome videos. Thanks. Let's get to work. First, we are going to check the size of the tire. To do that, we have to check the sidewall of the tire. 35 psi. This is the maximum air pressure we can put in the tire. 35 pounds per square inch. This is the size of the tire. Checking the tire wall, 12 by 1.75. 12 is the outer diameter of the tire. It's from the top here to the bottom here is 12 inches. And 1.75 is the thickness here of the tire. So what we really need is the 12. When we are buying an inner tube, we need this number here. Now we know our tire is 12 by 1.75, so our inner tube has to be at least 12 inches. Now we're gonna remove the tire. We're gonna flip the bicycle upside down. Once the bicycle is upside down, we have easy access to the tire. We're gonna remove the support wheel, take the chain out, pull the tire out a little, just enough to remove the inner tube. We are going to use a 15mm wrench to remove the support wheel. We are going to use a Phillips screwdriver. We are going to use a 17mm wrench to release the tire. We have to make sure that the bike is stable. Once you do that, you're gonna push the tire in and remove the chain. Once you remove the chain, we can pull the tire one side. Now, using a screwdriver, it can be a flat screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, stick it inside here and pull one side of the tire out and turn the wheel. Once you remove this, now you're gonna remove the inner tube. This is the cap. We need just enough paste to remove the tube. This is the damage. So now we're gonna replace it. This is our brand new tube. It's cheap, $4. This one is a 12.5 inches diameter. Gonna stick it in here. Nicely. Put the valve where the hole is and stick it in. We check on the other side of the tire here. You can see the valve and push it in, and at the bottom here pull it in. We are going to put the cap back in. That will make it harder for it to come out while we're working on it. This is the inner side. Keep the inner side down and the outer side up. Now we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver just to push the tire back in. If it's kind of hard, you can put some grease here to help the tire slide in. Now put the tire back in. We are trying to put the chain back in. We can push the tire in so it can be easier to put the chain back in. Once the chain is in place, you pull the tire back, and you're gonna have to make sure that the distance we have here is the same on both sides. Hold it centered. Now this side here, make sure it's tight. This here has to go here between this, and the wheel has to go here. And using a 15mm wrench, tie it up. Same thing on this side here. Yep. I'm gonna put air in it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.